can't wait for today's story. Maybe it'll be about a lion that breathes fairy floss. Or a house made of honey.
The Tale of the Dragon's Tail. That's a funny name.
Yeah, she used the word tail twice.
That's because we're learning about homophones.
It was a dark. I need help.
That's okay, Aileen. B.
It was a dark and stormy night. 3 knights decided to meet and tell tales of their adventures. When the biggest knight was telling his tale, he accidentally stepped on a dragon's tail. Luckily, the smallest knight threw the raw meat to the dragon, and the 3 knights ran away as fast as they could. I think I get it.
Homophones are when 2 words sound the same but have different meanings.
How do you know which word is which?
You have to be a detective and look at the whole sentence for clues. If I say the word night, what do you picture? What if I said it was a stormy night?
No!
A night can't be stormy, but the night can be. What if I said there was a pear that was gobbled up?
No!
Yes!
There are actually lots of homophones. Can you think of any?
How about toad and toad?
Or whale and whale.
Oh! I know. B, you are homophone. We can be friends. You are a bee.
Sweet nectar.